Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get or create a translated copy of your Google Docs. So in here, I've already opened a Google document and it's on English. And let's say that I want to translate it into another language. So if you want to do the same, you can just follow these steps. First, you can go to Tools at the top and you'll see the Translate document option, so just tap on that, and in here you can just name the translated copy. I'm going to just write it like this, and here you can just choose a language that you want to. For example, I want to translate it into Indonesian. You can now just tap on translate, and now a new Google Docs will be open, which consists of the translated copy of the document before. Okay, as you guys can see, the text has been translated just like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.